If you've ever wanted your email text to look cleaner, more balanced, and more professional inside Mailchimp, then this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to justify text in Mailchimp step by step, so you can make your email content line up neatly across the page. This is especially useful for newsletters, announcements, and promotional emails where you want a more polished layout. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp and go to the email editor for the campaign where you want to justify your text. Make sure you're inside the specific email design you want to edit because the changes you make will apply to that message. Once you're in the editor, find the text block that contains the content you want to adjust. Next, click and drag to select the text you want to justify. You want to highlight only the portion of the text that needs the alignment change. If you want the entire paragraph to be justified, make sure the full paragraph is selected. If you only want part of the content changed, just select that section instead. After the text is selected, look toward the top right of the text editing toolbar. You should see the alignment options there. Click on the alignment button to open the alignment menu. This is where Mailchimp lets you change how your text is positioned within the block. From the alignment options, click on Justify. This will spread the text evenly across the line and make the paragraph edges line up more cleanly on both sides. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your email looks. If you don't see the effect immediately, double check that the text is still selected and that you applied the setting to the correct block. Once you're happy with the formatting, click Save and Exit. That will keep your changes and take you back to the main editor or campaign view. Before sending your email, it's always a good idea to preview it and make sure the justified text looks the way you want across different devices. And that's it. You've now learned how to justify text in Mailchimp in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.